Use one of the bags of clay and form the clay into a ball ready to roll out with a rolling pin. Roll out a slab of clay roughly 1 centimetre in thickness. Cut out one rectangle 10 centimetres by 16 centimetres and one square 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. These will form the inner cylinder part of the lamp and the base. Curve the rectangle into a cylinder shape and then score and slip the edges to join the cylinder together. Unscrew the base plate from the bulb socket and trace around it on the square slab. Cut out the circle as well as a small rectangle from the circle to the edge of the square. This will be where the lead of the lamp will sit. Roll out 2 rectangles, 11 centimetres by 40 centimetres each. These will form the circle part of the lamp. Join each end of the rectangle slabs by cutting a diagonal cut. Score and slip these edges and overlap them, then blend them together. Now start shaping your circle. Make sure both the small cylinder created earlier and the light bulb can both fit inside before leaving to firm up for a few hours. After the circle slab has firmed up, trace around the base plate again on the side of the circle slab and then cut out the traced circle. Roll out 2 thick coils and 2 thin coils, roughly 10 centimetres in length each. Place the 2 thicker coils around the outer edges of the square base and then place the 2 thinner coils next to them. Blend the coils into the square base. This will support the curved shape of the circle. Score and slip the base and attach the base to the circle. Make sure that the cut out circles line up before blending. Score and slip the base of the small cylinder and line up the circle cutouts. Wrap a small core around the base of the cylinder and then blend into the lamp. Leave to dry for 24 to 48 hours until bone dry. Paint on 2 coats of our eggshell white paint. If you decide to use other colours, painting a white layer first will help your colours be much more vibrant. Leave the paint to dry for 30 minutes between each coat, and once fully dry, use 2 coats of our gloss or matte varnish to protect your lamp. Now to assemble the lamp fitting. Take the bulb socket and insert it into the base of the lamp and push it all the way through to the other end. Screw the base plate into the bulb socket and then push down so it's flush with the cylinder. Twist the filament bulb clockwise into the bulb socket. Ta-da! Now your lamp is ready. Switch on the light for instant cozy vibes.